In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Fidelity account. We'll walk through the process from your first click to submitting your application so you can get set up quickly and confidently. Start by going to the Fidelity Investments website. On the homepage, select Open an Account. That button takes you into the setup flow. First, choose the type of account that fits your goal. A standard brokerage account is for buying and selling investments like stocks, ETFs, and mutual funds. A Roth IRA or a traditional IRA is designed for retirement, with different tax advantages depending on when you prefer to receive the tax benefit. A cash management account focuses on everyday spending and saving features alongside your investments. And if you plan to trade digital assets, you can choose a crypto account. If you're unsure, read the short descriptions on the page and pick the one that best matches what you want to do first. You can always open other types later. Next, enter your personal information. You'll provide your full name and date of birth, and for U.S. accounts, your social security number. Add your current address and your employment details. Be sure this information matches your official records to avoid verification delays. You'll then create your login credentials. Choose a unique username, set a strong password, and select security questions. Pick answers only you would know, and store them somewhere secure so you can recover your account if needed. Fidelity will ask you to verify your identity. Follow the on-screen prompts to confirm your details. If the system can't confirm you online, you may be asked for a government-issued ID, proof of address, or additional documentation. Having those handy can make this step faster. If you want to deposit money immediately, link a bank account during setup. This enables you to move funds in right away so you're ready to invest. If you prefer to fund later, you can skip this and link a bank account when you're ready. Before you finish, review everything carefully, then submit the application. After submission, keep an eye on your email or account messages in case Fidelity needs anything else for verification. The good news is that some accounts have no minimum deposit and no account opening fee, so you can get started without funding right away. That's the full process, from opening the page to submitting your application, so you can create a Fidelity account with clarity and confidence.